Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are second year computer engineering students from B division from Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune. Under the project based learning 5, we team members Devang Shodkar, Parnavis Ravgi and Ajinkya Samangshi have completed a project music player window application using Python under the guidance of Ashwini Kagne ma'am. The main objective of this project is to implement a music player application for window using Python. To implement an Python using GUI, Tincter provides a powerful object-oriented interface to GUI toolkit. This project requires good knowledge of Python and Tincter. The music player is an application written in Python. A music player using Python with source code. Tincter module is standard graphical user interface used to render graphics. Here are some applications of this project. Music application is developed in Python programming language. It contains basic function and common coding structure to develop music player application. When Python combines with Tincter provides fast and easy way to create GUI applications. This project system uses Pygame and Tincter module to build music player application using Python. We require Tincter module and some basic concepts of Python. Tincter provides a powerful object-oriented interface to GUI toolkit. Why Python? Python is easy to learn. Python codes can be easily written and executed much faster than other programming language. Python language is most accessible programming language available because it simplifies syntax and not complicated, which gives more emphasis on natural language. Python is now most popular and widely used programming language in the world. Some benefits of Python programming: extensive support libraries, open source and community development, learning, ease and support available, user-friendly data structure, productivity and speed. Now we are going to see the code of this project. This is the code which we use to complete this project. When we run, you can see here first we have to select the folder in which we have music files. When we select this folder, we see this interface. Now we have to select the music file which we have to play. Here I select this music file. When we play, you can hear the music. Here you can pause the music by using this button pause and unpause it. The music will start where we pause it. You can stop the music by using the stop button. Hence we conclude that by using Tincter module and Pygame module, we implement music player window application. Thank you, Zeal Institute, for providing guidance for successful completion of this activity. I hope you all enjoyed it.